We just did something funny. Okay. What? Stop. Okay. Happy 4th of July. Today, me and my papa are going to be showing you guys fidgets. So.
Fidgets.
Okay. I just gotta take a movie. You're just making me laugh so much.
Come on.
Okay, I'm going. So this is the basic fidget Pop It. I'll turn this way too outside.
Where'd you get that one?
Why do you, this one I don't know because it's here. I traded it, so I don't really know.
Okay.
I traded it at school, so I don't know.
All right, good trade.
Good trade. Okay. This one I got at Hobby Lobby.
I like that one.
Hobby Lobby. And on one side it's Orbeez with fills. There's like no bumps on it. And on the other side there's little lines and it's got slime. So my hand can be doing different things. This one probably was good. It was on sale while we got it. Probably not still on sale, but yeah. Today I got this at Dollar General. I keep wanting to say Dollar Tree, but it's Dollar General.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And it's like a little plushie and it was only for $5. And it's amazing. I love it. I can just fall asleep. Okay, we're good. Okay, and let's see. Now this is one of my. Okay, don't bother this now. This is one of my favorites because it fits in your palm and it's so nice. It comes with a net on it, but I don't like the net. So
Where'd you get that?
I got this at Food Lion, right?
Mm-hmm.
In the vending machine.
In the
Like
little
25 cents.
gumball kind of vending machine,
Yeah,
right?
it was like.
Pretty good deal.
That's what it looks like.
All right.
So yeah, we're good. And now we're gonna be showing you all my squishies. Not all of them, it's just 3. So I got this unicorn one that's very squishy. I really like this. It looks like she's gonna win. Got catacorn. Is that what you call these things?
Unicorn.
No, it's a cat.
Catacorn.
Catacorn. And eating ice cream. So catacorn ice cream. It's
Awesome.
perfect. Perfect.
Squishy foams.
And then we have a little ice cream one. And, or is that?
It's ice cream.
No, it's a popsicle? Is it not a popsicle?
Yes.
I don't know. You guys tell me what it is. Okay. And we got slime. It's water slime. He does not like that one.
That smells like
It smells like fart.
dead raspberries.
Fart. Okay, so it's water slime. It feels good, but it don't smell good. I don't really like the smell of it, but it's a really good fidget. So, the next fidget is these. I don't know if these are fidgets, but I've seen a lot of people saying these are fidgets. Is that how that works? No, very visible. Okay, yeah, see how you're supposed to do this now. Okay, it's gonna be confusing, right? It's so much interesting. Oh, why did that not work? Oh, there we go. We're getting crazy.
Jacob's Ladder, that's called.
That is? That's
Yep.
what it's called?
It is.
It confuses.
It's an old toy.
Yeah.
Like this one.
Well, that's a fidget spinner.
Mm-hmm. The original fidget.
The
saw.
original.
Like a chainsaw.
We are all.
Or a circular saw. A buzz saw.
Why does it
One of my
always have to be a
favorites.
saw? Okay.
Well,
Yes.
it just looks like one. All right, you ready for these?
Sure. Let's
Here we
ahead
go.
and do it.
It looks like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
We're doing math.
maybe 9 or 10
Okay, yeah.
in 15 seconds. Ready? Here we go.
Wait.
Boom.
I want to tell them. Okay, these are plush, and they're little keychains ones. So they're like that ones. Woo, woohoo. This one's got a big nose, and we got a little giraffe.
Ah,
I got a little giraffe.
ah.
Can I go?
Moose, you talk so much.
I got a little giraffe today, and then we also got this one. I think I showed you that.
And the big nosed dog.
And this, yeah. This is that thing is like.
All right, show the other one. We're almost out of time.
Oh,
Breaking stuff.
oh,
All right, get that so you can show.
I'm showing them. I'm showing. So What is on that? Okay, we're good. Okay, so if we go to our other video, you see how to make these. We got this one. You spin it and you pull. I made this fidget. It's not really a fidget, but you know, it counts. And also we'll show how you make this fluffy ball. This little one. Oh, I gotta hold it up close. There. And also this little, well, this one's pretty easy. It's just a braid. You just run your hand down it. It's really nice. Oh, wow. We're already done.
You have one more?
Oh, yeah, I do. I have to show my shirts. Okay. So this thing is really cool because when you, now, look. See, it don't work. But then if we, I can touch anywhere. Don't do that. Here, hold hands. I like this thing. It's so cool. I still haven't figured out how it works. I think it's got sensors in it. Is that right?
Maybe.
I don't know. Okay. And the last thing I gotta show you is I want to show you guys this because I made it today. It's a shirt. It's a shirt. Okay. It was actually my Mimi shirt, and I tied it right here, and then put my arm through the sleeve, and wherever I tied, I put my arm through, and then I took buttons, put it in my shirt, right here, and I put the button, and I take a hairband, and I wrapped it around the button, and then this is what it ended up looking like. It looks good.
Very fashionable. Much like my not homemade plain black tea.
Awesome.
Yeah. All right.
So
That's it. That's
you guys
it.
say anything about fidgets?
I love fidgets. Fidgets used to be something you did, not something you had, but I'm getting old, so
This is something, probably his favorite fidget.
that's probably my favorite.
He likes this a lot. Before video, he was
Just fidgeting.
just playing.
Yep.
Just playing.
So hey, Independence Day 2021.
Yeah.
Boom. There's a video.
Hope you have a good day.
Hope you guys have a great weekend.
I'll see you later.
Bye.